Hello everyone. Uh, Before I completely decide on what I'm doing with the layout regards to the track, I thought I'd um, just run a train and a carriage and maybe a wagon just around the bit I've created, just to sort of show you what it's like, what it looks like and stuff. And pretty much just to test the point that I made as well. So I'll be trying it in different ways, pushing, pulling, turning it around, and just generally letting this one run a bit, because I've converted this one back down to analog, and that's why I've just plugged it in. So it's only plugged in a couple of places on the layout, just to see exactly how it goes. I did try my Princess Coronation class and it had a couple of issues, but I think that's down to poor quality control from Hornby, because the front pony occasionally lifted off the track. But I have heard that's an issue with it, and it just needs a bit of added weight on that to fix that. Also, because my track isn't fixed down, there's a little bit where it's sort of like it lifts up a tiny bit, so it's not as level as it would be if it was fully glued down and stuff. So without further ado, I'll let you see the train running for a bit. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so you could tell that it worked pretty flawlessly, following like the main line. So let's try it reversing a very light wagon and a coach and a loco coming down this line. I've just attached a bit of flexi track for now, just so you can I can run it into there, so we can sort of see whether or not it's reliable. Now with a bit of speed, I think. So yeah, as you can see, and you can probably hear the ice cream drop, typical. It's always when you start filming, isn't it? So, as you can see, even though this point, excuse the bobbleness again, even though the point is on a curve, it runs really reliably. So yeah, I thought I'd just sort of show you that, and that, you know, and now sort of take my time and make my mind up. So yeah, I'll have to see. What I do need to do is lift this up or something, because if you can see, this board is just a bit higher than this one, and it's creating sort of a bit of a step, so I need to sort that out. I'm not sure what to do. I'm either plane a bit of this off or just try and raise the height of this. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed this little video, and like I say, that wagon there absolutely light as anything, and it's ran through the point on both directions backwards flawlessly. So you know, obviously closing in the gap at the frog here has worked pretty reliably, because there's absolutely no drop at all. If I just push this through here, hang on, I'm going to have to change the direction momentarily. Point motors and everything. Right, okay. So, as you can see here, the idea is that it doesn't drop between and the gap from the tip of the V to those rails. it doesn't drop, so it's just completely smooth running over it. So yeah, anyway, I thought I'd just show you that and let you at least see a train running on it before I decide what to do. It's getting a bit warm up here now, so I might just call it quits for today, but yeah, hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.